Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Jalen. I'm 23 years old. I'm an entrepreneur running my own business from home. And I'm going to try to make this video short and brief. But today's topic, I just want to talk to y'all about Easy1up. For those that have been watching my videos, I'll give y'all an update video. And the ones that haven't, that's new to this video. Basically, what Easy1up is, it's a system created by Peter Wolfen. And they have different products levels that's in the back office that have digital products that really can help you succeed online and any network marketing business. It show you how to do email marketing, just show you different things to help you succeed online. But right now I just want to show y'all a little proof of like my back office. Like as you see, my team been succeeding. I got 200 active members on my team, and we're getting to that. That's how much I earn with this. Right now I'm on the $25 level, and that's how much I earn on the $25 level. This is easy. It's a stepping stone. Like, if you can, I've been doing like using a simple copy paste method, and that's how I profit every day. And also, I want to bring some bonus. If you join my team, I have a team rotator that for the $25 level, I'm not on any other higher level on this business because I have other business ventures that at high levels and it's high tickets. Just in case you want to go all in, let me know. Just contact me on Facebook at Jalen Mckinnon. Like you'll see, I'm gonna show you in a few minutes my Facebook. But I just want to get over the topic of this team rotator. So basically what a team rotator is, once you join my team, I take your link, I get you to send me your link, and I put it inside a team rotator. And I buy paid traffic just for that team rotator. I don't use paid traffic. I get all my leads for free marketing. But I put a paid traffic into that team rotator, and each person signing up, it just rotates to the next person link. So if you would if you want to join a rotator, just join off the rotator, just let me know. And it can help you. The rotator, make sure you get 2 sales, then it'll kick you out. And if you want to rejoin, you can get rejoin for $5, a small fee of $5. But the first time you get in, it's free. Just if you want to rejoin, it's $5. But the reason why I charge $5 because I got to keep the rotator up standing. And also another bonus is you join my team, I give you one-on-one coaching. And I give you one-on-one coaching. I got a private group that I can add you to. And I also have my own group that I have certain people for the training classes. And I just want to show you a little bit that right about now. You see my team, we succeeding. Kelly just got her 2 sales from the rotator. Congratulations. Let me see. I think I seen another notification. Oh look, she got her 2 signups for the team rotator. But this is easy, stepping stone. You know, some people ask for payment proof. Someone go to my PayPal, and as you can see, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, and it's all today payments. As you can see, 250. 250. Then I made $10,000 earlier from Twitter promo, but that's nothing anybody need to worry about. 25, 25, 25. Alright, I don't show this to brag. I just show that anybody can do this. Success online is easy. I've been doing this for 5 years now, and I really have been seeing a good amount of income from these business ventures. But another thing another bonus when you join my team, I teach you how to rank your video on Google and YouTube. And I've been learning that over the past couple of weeks now, so I'm pretty sure I can master it, and I can really show you the same ways that I learned. And also I have different ways that I market. Right now, I'm gonna show you. I can show you something simple for me. It's just the way how easy it is to profit online. Let me see if I can get this to load up. So if you gonna market this on Facebook, we're gonna try like a work from home group. I'm just choosing any group for now. Yes. But like I was saying, you join my team. I got plenty of coaching stuff that's in my own group that can help you succeed online. I upload stuff every day, every week, and I'm really active online. So at any given moment, you can call me and I'll be right there for you. I'll really be at your help. Like, I'm a successful person. I really believe in my team succeeding. It ain't really about the money with me. It's about my team succeeding. So as long as my team can succeed, then we can profit. Alright, so this is how easy it is to market this. Alright. Learn how I earn 700. I'm gonna just put something out there like 750 because I did make at least 600 and something today with just Easy1up. I have my other business ventures. I've been up, but learn how I earn $750 from a simple copy and paste method. Click link. Below. Or no, I ain't gonna put or. I'm just post this link. Just something simple, just show you something simple. So once I post my link, it tell them my exit $25 you ever made, and just I was wondering what this was talking about, and just like that, I posted it. That's how easy this is. Then people they'll contact me in a few minutes. But sorry about that. I got a message on my phone. But they'll contact me about this. But that's how easy it is. You join my team. I add you into the team rotator. If you want to be in a team rotator help you get 2 signups. And after that 2 signups, it withdraw you from the rotator. If you want to rejoin the rotator, it's an additional $5 fee, small $5 fee. But most people don't rejoin the rotator, and they just profit. Like, I'm gonna show you this again. 25, 25, 25, 25, 250. 25, 25, 25. 10,000, wherever, 250. Just like, this is real easy. It's so easy my 80-year-old grandmother can do it. But that's my time for today, y'all. I'll see y'all at our next video. Make it a great